The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark.
Glory to you, O Lord.
In those days, when there again was a great crowd without anything to eat, Jesus summoned the disciples and said, "My heart is moved with pity for the crowd, because they have been with me now for 3 days and have nothing to eat. If I send them away hungry to their homes, they will collapse on the way, and some of them have come a great distance." His disciples answered him, "Where can anyone get enough bread to satisfy them here in this deserted place?" Still he asked them, "How many loaves do you have?" They replied, "7." He ordered the crowd to sit down on the ground. Then, taking the 7 loaves, he gave thanks, broke them, and gave them to his disciples to distribute, and they distributed them to the crowd. They also had a few fish. He said the blessing over them and ordered them distributed also. They ate and were satisfied. They picked up the fragments left over, 7 baskets. There were about 4,000 people. He dismissed the crowd and got into the boat with his disciples and came to the region of Dalmanuta. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Magandang umaga po ulit sa inyong lahat, and welcome to the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. Our Gospel today presents us or gives to us 2 miracles. Yung una ay miracle brought about by Jesus, who feeds the hunger of people. So we might call it Jesus' miracle. Yung 7 tinapay at some fish, dahil nakita niya yung gutom ng mga tao, naramdaman niya yung gutom ng mga tao, 3 days na siyang kasama, walang nakakain. So, he multiplied the bread. When he got the bread, he gave thanks, he broke them, and distributed them. At meron pang natira. So, it was a miracle brought about by Jesus. Anong sinasabi sa atin? Sinasabi sa atin that Jesus feeds our hunger. Yun ang sigurong ipinapakita sa atin ng miracle na yun. Jesus feeds our hunger. Not only the hunger of our stomachs, but even the hungers of our hearts, of our spirits. Yung ating kalungkutan, yung ating pag-aalinlangan, yung ating mga tanong sa buhay. Jesus feeds our hunger. Sinasagot niya, pinapakita niya, kung magtitiwala lang tayo, ay bibigay sa atin yung ating kinakailangan. He feeds our hunger. That's a Jesus miracle, yung una. Pangalawang miracle, pwede nating masabi, the miracle of sharing. Bakit? Kasi yung tinapay na dinistribute at pinarami ni Jesus, galing din dun sa tao na nag-share. Siyempre, kung ikaw yung nandun, may baong-baong ka, nakita mo na nga, 3 araw nang wala kayong pwedeng mapagkuhanan ng pagkain. Ang natural tendency would be to keep it to yourself, di ba? Tataguin mo sa sarili mo, antayin mo na pag ikaw nagutom, para pag may nagutom ka, meron kang kukuhanin, meron kang kakainin. But in the gospel, wherever the 7 loaves and fish came from, had the spirit of sharing. Hindi lang sinarili yung kanyang baon, sinare dun sa iba at pinarami din ni Jesus, no? So there was something to be multiplied and something to be shared. So, siguro ganoon naman totoo sa buhay, yun yung miracle, no? That if we give from what we have, more will be able to receive, more will be able to benefit from what we give. Kung makuha lang natin sa sarili natin na mag-share, magbigay, at hindi tayo maging madamot, hindi maging selfish, more will receive. Yun naman ang, gano'n naman ang prinsipyo ng di ba, ng need ng mundo. Mayroong mga tao na masyadong maraming ginagamit na walang natitira doon sa iba. Hindi nagsishare. So, doon sa isa pang nakita natin doon sa event na yun, when the bread was distributed and the fish was distributed, yung mga tao kumain lang kung ano yung kailangan nila. They ate only to satisfy their hunger. Hindi rin sila naging madamot, katulad nung nag-share nung bread, hindi rin sila naging madamot, hindi sila nag-sharon, hindi sila nagbaon, hindi sila nagbalot, no? Hindi sila nag-isip ng sarili lang nila. And that is why, nung hindi sila naging madamot, meron pang sobra. 7 baskets full. Out of the 7 loaves, meron pang 7 baskets full left over. Bakit? Kasi hindi sila nagdamot. Hindi sila naging madamot. At mas marami pang nakinabang. Therefore, with the 7 baskets full, hindi lang yung mga tao doon sa crowd na yun ang nakakain. Maybe even other people at another time kasi dadali nila yung 7 baskets of bread and fish. So meron pa iba pang makakakain later at another time. So, galing dun sa mga tao kung saan nanggaling yung bread and fish, that miracle happened. Ano yung sinasabi din sa atin other than the miracle of sharing? Ibig sabihin sa atin ay, tayo mismo, are miracles waiting to happen. Maring sa atin nanggagaling yung magiging milagro or yung ating sariling actions, ang ating compassion for one another can also be a source of miracle. We are miracles waiting to happen. So, yun yung miracle of sharing. 3 movements makita natin na maganda dito sa miracles na nangyari kay Jesus, no? Una-una, Jesus gave thanks nung nabigay na sa kanya yung bread and fish. He gave thanks first of all. Gave thanks to God for all our gifts. Siguro, dapat din sa atin ganun, no? To remember, to give thanks when we receive gifts, when we receive blessings. And so every day, we receive blessings. So every day, we give thanks. Pangalawa, after giving thanks, Jesus broke the bread. And when he broke the bread, he was thinking of other people who might be in need. So hopefully, we can also have that spirit of compassion, of feeling and being sensitive to the needs of other people. And finally, after breaking the bread, he distributed them. He distributed them to those in need, according to their need. Kaya nga kumain yung mga tao to satisfy themselves. He offered the bread to them as well. Sana tayo din are able to distribute, to offer whatever we have. Hindi naman kailangan tinapay lang o material things. But whatever we have, our time, our talents, our compassion, our forgiveness, to offer them to those in need. We ask St. Cyril and Methodius to help us to be miracles, to be miracles wherever we are, miracles waiting to happen by giving thanks, by breaking and distributing whatever we have. Let us